Gongsi Fakai, my friends. Here I'm again back with some of the inputs I'm like coming up in year 2018. That is going to be an exciting year for all of us. As the industry is evolving and governments are allocating significant budgets to digital transformation initiatives, we see a strong need for solutions that build security and convenience around digital transformation. The more exciting part is the even quicker evolution of the technologies which are powering such a transformation. As the world is slowly moving towards blockchain and smart cities, identity management and PKI are now even more integral for the efficient functioning of industries that rely on these technologies. In anticipation of this move, we are prepared to ensure that what we offer keeps up with what the market wants. The best part is that it's going to help you make a lot more money. How? Here is a brief. I would like to expect from us this year. First, as a blockchain, EM Labs has been working on Project B, focusing on smart contracts on a Hyperledger blockchain. We expect the pilot to be complete by the end of this month, post which we will be focusing on building a service ecosystem around migration to a blockchain based structure in any large organization or government. An imminent use case where we are already working on is eKYC on blockchain. Second, smart city based on IoT, Internet of Things. Again, EM Labs has been working with leading manufacturers to test various hardware devices, TPMs, LoRa devices, and more to bring more versatility to embedded devices and improve processing capacity of our IoT security platform. Short story, we are at a stage where we can already offer smart parking, smart grocery, smart energy, and other such solutions with PKI security is end-to-end package. Third is our multi-factor authentication system. As the market evolves, so do our solutions. We will be migrating our EMAS from a multi-factor authentication system to a comprehensive identity and access management, some people call as IDAM, including multi-factor authentication. Traditional EMAS will still be available, of course. Fourth is our bird EM Signer. We are building on our flagship EM Signer platform to offer sophisticated authentication and identity mapping mechanisms like video verification, biometric authentication, and more. Further, we are expanding to be the most globally accepted digital signature platform provider. Whether you are in Vietnam or in Amsterdam, our signature will be trusted locally and globally. We look forward to your support in taking our solutions to the market in 2018. We are sure that it will lead to myriad interesting opportunities and bountiful deals no matter which country you operate in. As each of these developments come to fruition, we will keep you updated on the specifics and the relevant market collaterals, pricing, and lot more to define what all is market looking at. Now, my next point coming up is, are you GDPR compliant? If you are processing any data pertaining to a citizen or resident of the European Union, you are probably already aware of GDPR. Yes, GDPR is a comprehensive set of guidelines aimed at protecting the personal data of EU citizens and residents globally. Of course, there is a lot of more to it, but a very important aspect of GDPR is the encryption standards in your organizations around sensitive data. Our product EMSafe, a node-to-node encryption engine, is ideally suited to ensure that you are protecting sensitive data every step of the way. Below, what I'm going to narrate are some of the reasons why EMSafe is ideal in enhancing data protection mechanisms in your organization. How? EMSafe uses RSA public keys in identifying the endpoints of the data being communicated between two systems. Next, EMSafe uses hybrid cryptography to not only ensure that the data is encrypted to the highest standards but also enable quick and efficient processing. Third, EMSafe uses signatures and keys issued by us, a WebTrust certified organization, to sign and encrypt the data and ensure data integrity. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go ahead and take this new step. Coming now, moving to into the blockchain. Blockchain has already been successfully implemented across various market sectors and is expected to revolutionize a significant number of industries over the next decade, including financial services, healthcare, real estate, and legal, among others. As I said, EM Labs has developed a framework that can allow your organization to move your data architecture onto a distributed ledger. So, what will be the features in this? First, the plug and play deployment. That's an ease for the team. Second, support for legally valid digital signatures. That is must, I believe. And third, and the last, UI based configuration. So the team at your end, no, there is no point. I'm like, they should write the code. Now, thank you for choosing to work with us. There are certain set of clients, there are certain set of partners globally. It is our distinct pleasure to have you on board with us as a business partner, and we look forward to a lengthy and mutual beneficial relationship with you. In an effort to ensure that we are of value to our partner community and to stay relevant to the market, we constantly expand our solution portfolio while keep focusing constantly to empower secure digital transformation. So, what we are offering in a nutshell is a two-liner to explain the benefits. We will add more details in the coming days and constantly keep you updated on what's happening at our end. So, first is multi-factor authentication, an all-encompassing multi-factor authentication platform supporting 17 plus, yes, 17 plus factors of authentication, including 2FA, PKI, adaptive authentication, and soft token, in addition to the usual ones. Second, document signing, a need of the hour solution to empower secure paperless workflows using e-signatures and digital signatures issued globally. Works on SaaS, on-premise with ready APIs and even a signer gateway. Third, the certificate authority, a sophisticated feature-packed solution suite with the ability to issue and manage the life cycle for SSL, email, user, device certificates. It even comes with its own key management system, components sold separately or solution offered as a bundle. I mean, it's as per the client needs. Fourth is the big data. Our big data engine, which uses state-of-the-art technologies powered by Apache Spark processing, Elastic and MongoDB, and versatile data feed adapters. It is a one-stop solution for any big data analytics project. Fifth, encryption suite. Yes, an encryption suite that uses hybrid cryptography to identify and encrypt data between two systems or persons, offered on private cloud, on-premise for secure document exchange or bulk data transfer. So we not only focus on the variety of our offering, but pay equal attention to the depth within each offering. Each of the above solutions, what I discussed with you, are feature packed and upgraded to meet the industry latest trends and in some cases next generation requirements, I would say. I'm happy to share all detailed brochures, case studies, white papers across all to you guys as per your demand. Just ping me, I'll share across every aspects what I can. I mean, the case study with respect to banks, we do have more than 40 case studies and implementations globally with banks, especially for managing identities and access across application both in on-premise and the cloud. What our multi-factor authentication offers the best features is ability to define access at granular levels, page button, folder, support for OTP, digital signature, and FIDO2, support for SAML, auth for single sign-on. So that is the best. And as I said, I'm like, our product multi-factor authentication system that supports 17 plus modes of authentication with multi-factor authentication capability based on risk parameters. So at the last, as the security landscape is changing, so are the business challenges that organizations are facing. With data breaches and information theft on the rise, it is becoming even more crucial to protect your data from unwanted third parties. Thanks for your time. Good to connect and stay tuned.